Welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Today I'm going to talk about a video. People are sending me to say, look YouTubers see it's brought them. I can't say Buju show them and they spread them my pressure Buju. You need to give it a rest. This fake narrative I wanna try farm to still make Buju sound like some kind of rebel fighting, some kind of cause. It's over. It was over the day when him got down on his knee, arms outstretched, and bowed to him boss them. The only reason why Buju Banton they on quote-unquote tour in Uncle Sam place are because the people them wanna try set the narrative for cancel him show. We're content with the humiliation and say alright, free him up. Now Sprats now have to cancel the Buju Banton show because when they want to cancel Buju Banton, they wouldn't get no visa in the first place. When those don't want to accept the realities of the legendary reggae artist Buju Banton, enough people grew up on. Enough people did rate. Enough people think say it did actually about something. Really wasn't built like that. This is why even time when you see him on camera at TS Diet Coke when they telling themselves no dog and start the mental gymnastics. Your favorite artist them and a rebel guy, just accept it. But telling some most of your favorite artists them. Right, are puppets and clowns. That clip they wanna send them a Buju Banton and burn out. Sprats community, where? The caption and the narrative is stupid. Nowhere in this video you see Buju Banton and burn out. From me hear that me know something can't right because if you burn out him boss them. Just think about what you're saying, guy. You're saying the system, the big Uncle Sam system, a fight against Buju Banton and him a try to tap him. But then that same system say, see a visa you go on the road. You can walk back in the country and book some show and them things. Record deal sign. Buju Banton they on much interview. Wish pa only see Buju Banton I get fight. You need to just accept some of the favorite artists them are on a downward spiral. Buju Banton kneeled at the altar of the Sprats. But now fight against Buju Banton. Buju Banton shows are getting cancelled because of low ticket sales. I'm gonna go into it, but before I do that, announcement. Sunday, big video drop. This is more of a historical video, type of history way. Them not teach you in your watered down history class at school. Sunday, I'm gonna introduce you to one of the wickedest Billy Joe them to ever set foot on Iron Man. One of the most brutal Billy Joe ever set foot on Iron Man. Me I talk about some of the things I do can only be described as sadomasochism. We talk about monster. And yet still, for many Jamaicans, for many Negroes, he was them general. I'm going to show no far back Jamaican don't stand for nothing. As long as they give them something. But tell you say it's not what you do, it's what you do for them. They can bite off every pit in the head in the community. As long as they put on one treat or buy them on clocks, then you are them general. So you go like him that do good things to look for one time did he give me the clock. When you talk about that, a long time Jamaican stay so. Yeah, we see that video there. Sunday. It's going to make you uncomfortable. One of the most evil European guys to ever set foot on Iron Man. Look at YouTube, watch it. The Sprats them a cancel Buju Banton. No Sprats not cancel no show. Buju Banton know that. And if you even watch the same clip I wanna send around, just watch and listen. I don't know if Jamaicans have a listening problem or a comprehension problem. I don't know which one it is. But if they still want a headline somewhere or them still want a caption somewhere, all if what them a slip on the video, add up to what the caption I say, or what the caption say them a work with because that's the easiest thing to digest. This is shambolic. When if you burn out in Boston, the people them signed to are pro-Sprats. That is a fact. The people them want make Buju Banton and go on tour. People them want make Uncle Sam give Buju a blind and let him back in the country. A pro-Sprat. So when you tell me say Buju Banton the pan video burn out Sprat, me have to go look on that video there. You must mean the actual Sprat. You mean like the fish? The actual fish? I can't Sprat like mad Susie attack. Right. Burn out Sprat community. Understand there's a difference between burning out an individual Sprat and the Sprat community. Enough individual Sprat non-attack. But the Sprat community, you forget how powerful them be. They make your favorite DJ them self-censor. Notice the artists them can still sing about chop the line, shoot at the horse, shoot at the granny, kill the pitney, buy the rifle, kill the half over there so, march pen top banks, but then can't say nothing about the Sprats them again. That's power right there, son. So me have to watch the video. And me have to make some link of what go on there, son. When you hear Buju Banton that talk about, yeah, the division and the division. Division is a diversion. Irish Sox and Negroes only use that when they want to avoid criticism. When they say informer for dead, weren't you dividing some people against others? Because some people are informer. That wasn't dividing. That wasn't division. Your content is all about division. Anytime you support something, that means some division must go on because other people burn it out. So there has to be there's always division, guy. In Uncle Sam place, man a Democrat, man a Republican. That's division. Buju Banton a PNP, some on a Labour right. That's division. Guy, check the scoreboard. This idea about the division, the people, never in the history of humanity have anybody, any group ever been totally united. That's a myth. In Europe, Europeans have never been united. How far back you want to go? From the days of the Saxons or the Vikings or it don't matter. Europeans have never been united as a single force. Who will fight in a World War II? What were the sides? Europeans have never been united. In Asia, Asia is not united either. That's a myth. Chinese man and Japanese man and Thailand man will tell us that we're not the same. What's up on the mama? Anytime you see a black man do nothing foolish and you call him out on it, I want to try to avoid criticism. The first thing you jump on, John O'Dog, we have to just unite. In other words, don't call me out. You're getting called out, guy. You're a fraud. You're confused. Buju Banton's show was cancelled because of low ticket sales. This can be easily proven. Even the ticket master in place, so you try book ticket, then he'll tell you why. But Buju Banton's ego is out of control. He can't face this. The hype is over. When Buju Banton first come back from prison, that hype that was around, the hype of full out stadium, it's over. Them book too much show. They overestimated Buju's reach in Uncle Sam place, especially in a certain part of Uncle Sam place. And the same thing with Vibes did it. He might go through the same thing now. Buju did go through when Buju first come back. Remember it was all about Buju, and everybody couldn't wait to go watch the first show. And then where Buju go, it full up and all people could talk about was Buju. If Buju go in our bathroom, go use it, somebody post it. I saw Buju Banton in the bathroom washing his hand today. That ship has sailed, the hype is done. People them have short attention span, guy. Why must I go through the same hype, no one to ride the same wave? You know what's the difference between hype and substance? Substance can be measured, can be easily proven. Barbas drop one quote-unquote EP. First week out, remember? Which song I fight to see a play? That EP went triple plastic. That EP went triple enamel. Normally when an artist come out and drop something right away, you see the rapper them did all the time as then come out then drop one song first day out, them drop one project right away. A black youth who just come out of prison will get a bigger following and a bigger turnout than a black youth who just graduated from neurosurgery college. In the black community, if you just turn one astronaut, if you just turn one neuroscientist, if you just find the cure for cancer, and you keep one party to celebrate, maybe your friend and my family turn out. But in the black community, when a Negro come from prison, it's the biggest thing. Come like youths can't wait to go prison to get for them welcome home party. The biggest party you'll ever seen uncle. When they see a black party I keep in Uncle Sam place on the road black, no say somebody come from prison. Nothing make Negroes happier than going to and coming back from prison. That's the ultimate achievement of a black man. It's the biggest forward and crowd you'd ever pull in your life. Barbas drop EP and you can hear a pin drop. Not even a song or rotate by the place. Even all the hype in the world couldn't see Barbas. So Buju Banton did come back and the place was all about Buju. As them say, absence make the heart grow fonder. But in the end, these overgrown children just want to have fun. And just like with Pitney with a new toy, eventually them lose interest. And now you start, sorry, I go book 100 more show. And then by the time I reach the 20th show, you realize that the bad not gonna be. And Buju purposely make this video in a way where it's so vague that him know say theme sheep, cause him a theme sheep, you know. I go say, see them a fight against the man. Notice him no say that, you know. Buju Banton no say Sprats cancel him show, you know. Buju Banton did not say the Sprats community cancel no show. But him do it in such a vague way where him know how Jamaicans work. Just like how Barbas no say them a sheep. But I tell you say these artists and politicians understand the masses well, you know. Him do it in such a vague way that him knows that the people are go, oh, so that means that the Sprats boy them a fight against the dog. See it me I tell you so them man the real warrior bro and they not stop fight them on. Guy, stop it. Maybe one time when we could get to them things there, but not nowadays. Most of the movement takes this now. We can't see them things there from a mile out. Just like the politician, the artists think the masses are nothing more than sheep. So them just throw it on little foolishness, even if it's illogical. And the people them say, yeah dog, you see it though. Cause show gone already. So why never cancel them? Why never just cancel all of them? I could play the video. Check this out.
There's some way try to break the change of poverty. You don't see them not blood clot. And all I do is tear down. You don't want another. You can't tear right down. You see me tear down already. I build now. You can't tear down Buju. Let me tell you this blood clot. You don't have to live see me sit down on the sidewalk and beg on the bread, you know. Because my God is real. You hear me say? I'm a walk and sweat all and I'm a blood clot boot for my own. Because I'm a batty boy. I'm not draw my ass nowhere. I work hard. So when you're out there eat, remember this. To Buju Banton, most of you can't relate. And God will say, go say something make we can't hear it. My good people, I push back some dates. Yeah? Because Connecticut and Boston too close. You hear me? I don't want the conflict, so I push them forward. I try to take Boston phone, but they must say, boy, leave Boston. So you know me do? I push them forward. Me not gone away, me there, because them can't do it like Buju, you know. A good over evil. Remember me telling you, them can't do it like we do this when we are youth. What I say? I don't love it. And through the love it, the Eden them like it. And through me love, you know, the Eden them like it neither. But them can't stop none of the love. Them can't stop my love, your love, or the Father love. So what them are going to do? Them are going to use them fuckery to divide us. It can't work. We have been divided before, now we solid up. Love, you know, I'm seeing you tonight in a Washington deep sea. In a Washington deep sea. Yes, haters eat your heart out. Yeah? So my sister, yeah, my bloodline strong, and we not hurt to do it. We don't feel like you don't like or show you don't like, we can't stop what God said.
Never, never.
We go on and go find some peace in the life, all Edens and she-dens. Good people of the corner. I love you now and I will always love you now, because you are now on the love Buju Banton. So we are here to free the people, mentally, physically and spiritually. Now watch, know what them I say. And some little guy down there who nice and sweet in them lifestyle, don't watch them because them sweeter than sugar. And through them sweeter than sugar and sweeter than honey, them I try to go and say them can't throw spokes in my wheel. Remember this blood clot. A toilet me use, the boy never sit down for me. Never!
Never.
So I'm bad. Yard and abroad.
Good over evil.
Remember.
There is nowhere in that video Buju Banton lick up on the Sprats community. Nowhere in that video. There is nowhere in that video Buju Banton tell you say the Sprats community cancel him, show them, cause him as some kind of warrior, but him a put up a good fight. And them are the reason why he's back in America. The Sprats them win the war already, you know. They've won. What was the objective? What was the objective? To humiliate Buju. What Buju went through is what them call a humiliation ritual. Public humiliation where you can't come back from. Right. These things are a big part of the music industry. Hollywood. Humiliation ritual, sacrifices and all kind of things. It's a normal thing. In other world. After all of that, Buju get back visa, gone a foreign. Show get book. But them book too much show, as I say them overestimate how much interest America as a whole have in Buju Banton. You have certain parts where enough Jamaicans there, and some Caribbean people there, and some Yankee will rate Buju. But Buju can't go around America and full out stadiums like that. Guy, be realistic. And that's no disrespect to Buju Banton's career. which as I say is legendary. But understand this, enough Yankee artists can go in America and full out stage show. But when I do a look on the biggest acts them like the Beyonce and the Rihanna and the Drake and them people, I want to see them a full out stadium by themselves. Buju can't do that. Them should do less show in less places and then draw out all of the Buju from them. But it's whole heap of show back to back to back to back. The strategy was never going to work, not for Buju Banton. But instead of accepting this, right, come out on some little vague speech about, and then the fans them know you see them cancel the man show, but not cancel the Buju show. And by the way, watching this video, something is off with Buju. Buju mannerisms. Some are off. I don't understand what's going on. Look on this again.
You hear me say? I'm a walk and sweat and I'm a blood clot boot for my own, come in a batty boy. I'm not draw me ass no way.
Alright, now look on it again.
You hear me say? I'm a walk and sweat and I'm a blood clot boot for my own, come in a batty boy. I'm not draw me ass no way.
Something is off. Something is off. When me see a man come out for no reason at all, oh, no man can't F me. This is weird to me. Me don't know no man that talks say no. Me don't know no man, me don't have no brethren, no chargy, no party, no linky, no squaddy. Who just there some me attack and a man that get up, oh, no man can't touch up my body. This is weird. This is a weird thing for somebody to say. In our rant, you know, when me hear a man say them thing there, I start thinking, alright, I better hear a project. Because you can rant and cuss, but I don't know how you reach this up. How about you reach this up? And even the way him say it, listen to what Buju Banton drag him words. I'm staying.
You hear me say? I'm a walk and sweat and I'm a blood clot boot for my own, come in a batty boy. I'm not draw me ass no way.
The whole thing left for Buju Banton says, yeah, party girl. Yeah, I want, hey, way. That sound like projection, that's too random. We might try convince. We are himself. Just like when Barbasi jump up. Jamaica, me nah go F no man. That was in conscience talking. Where Buju dey on? Anybody else on that call out these things, you know? But because of the legendary Buju Banton, you want to play mental gymnastics. Where Buju dey on? We are talking about, brother. A stage show we are talking about, you know. And cancelling of stage show. Guy, just watch for the clip again, no, man.
You hear me say? I'm a walk and sweat and I'm a blood clot boot for my own, come in a batty boy. I'm not draw me ass no way.
This is spooky. All of things now add up to Buju Banton. Democrats are known to be very pro-Sprat. Very pro, what they call quote unquote inclusive and all them someday. If them did want to cancel Buju Banton now reach nowhere near Uncle Sam place. This is a false narrative. No Sprat no cancel the Buju Banton show. The show them cancel because of low ticket sales. It just hard for you accept that Buju is somebody who like the sound of his own voice, but in real life has never really stand for nothing. Understand this, the Sprat community won. The objective was to humiliate Buju Banton. He already went through his humiliation ritual. You know, boom bye bye hurt people and him nah sing it no more. Informer for dead hurt people too. As an informer, I was hurt. Enough informers, nothing Buju Banton to hurt enough people. When Buju Banton to some girl under them body jaw black, so them for buy Nadinola and deal with the case. Enough women were offended. Enough women did hurt. But Buju Banton don't care about offending women or straight people. Buju Banton don't care about offending informers. He cares about offending the people them with the real power. People them who can stop him from get visa and stop him from get that. All if Buju Banton come out tomorrow and sing another Boom Bye Bye part 2, he can't walk back with him though. That is how humiliation work. Once you go through one humiliation ritual, no matter what you do after that, it's done. There is no coming back. So now, Buju Banton, because he built his reputation from being this tough talking, rebel kind of guy, every day Buju Banton look in the mirror, he's tormented. So now, how Buju get round it is by creating a bunch of fake enemies so he can avoid fighting the one them will already defeat him. Let me say that one more time. Every time you see Buju Banton on your TV I tell you about this and tell you about that and that. Every minute you find somebody else to war and somebody else are the reason why this and somebody. Buju Banton is creating fake enemies so he can avoid fighting the ones that already defeat him. Buju Banton take shot of people enough time. That's not division. Notice him only use the no division when him a come under criticism. Buju Banton is like the man that get beat up at work by another man. So he go home go beat his wife and him pitney. And if you listen to me. Buju Banton is like the brother with that work with getting in a fight with his co-worker, which is a man. And the man beat him up. Right? Beat him up real bad in shame. So he go home, go beat up his wife, and him pitney them. To feel like a quote unquote man again. That's what Buju Banton do. The Sprats community thump out Buju Banton teeth. A long time Buju Banton mix up in a dead court game. Ask people from Reddy's Road. Don't take my word for it. Reddy's Road people know Buju Banton well. Anybody who come from Whitehall side and that general vicinity right there, so them know Buju Banton, the real Buju Banton. Buju Banton has never been no conscious man. That is why Till Shiloh was so surprising for enough people. Because people that said, Jano, where the Buju come from? Till Shiloh and Voice of Jamaica, people don't know the Buju there. But we have to understand in music, and this is even something me know have to realize, is that enough time you see one album come out, and even though the artist sing it, enough time of the people them round the artist why the album sound so. Because a whole heap of people make one song. You have the producer, you have man who write some of the verse them over here so. Which militant Rastafari guy can see man come to him a whole diet coke argument and then in a chat with the man and go meet man. So where I tell me say guy, if somebody come to you and say yo, you know what say. If they put on plane and somebody come to you, Yankee come to you and say yo, you know what say. Me have 150, pick me up more traffic go across the border. Yeah man, I hold my money night man, you can make out an extra 50 million. And you say, give me a link now. And you meet up the money and pick up some pit them and in the process of all that you get catch. You think you can come tell me about, yeah but him approach me dog. So, where you gonna meet man for? That means you dip on it. Who know how the mental gymnastics Buju because of Buju. People always think so when they talk about their favorite artists or because like me I try. Like people get upset like me I say them artists are not big artists. I never take nothing from an artist in yet. I'm telling you, say musically, Buju Banton a legend. Rapper Buju Cure, a legend. In a music game. Barabbas, all of them. Their music career, I never try to take over their music career yet. But when I talk about the artists, them, I talk about the man them. That's the problem. When I talk about the artists, I talk about the man. Just to summarize, a unicorn meet. That's right now can't stand Buju Banton show. If you even listen to the same video, you hear him tell you the parts. Yeah, we're gonna move the dates and because the dates and because the guy. The American tour isn't panning out how they thought it would. Anyway, your chance to big up on yourself, PIA, you don't know, more life, Vulture Squad, see you circling, bless.